Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to convert sentences like this from words into math to then figure out what the table would be represented like. Here's the first thing that we really need to know. We need to know what kind of words represent plus, which is words like some or more. We need to know what words represent minus, which would be difference or less. Difference, less. We need to know words like product for multiply, or words like times. Finally, we need to know words like quotient for division, or share, cut up, words like that. So let's take a look at this problem that we have here. Here we are told that 5 less than the product of Q and 10. That's what we're looking for. So I see less, which indicates that I will be subtracting. I see product, which indicates that I will be multiplying. Now, there is an important word in here, and that is the word than. Than tells you that your sentence order will be switched around. So whatever is said first in the sentence will actually happen last mathematically. So this 5 less is actually going to happen at the end of my sentence mathematically. Now I need to figure out what's going to happen first, which again in my sentence would be last. Product of means that I'm multiplying the following things. So I'm multiplying Q and 10. So usually we put the number in front of your variable. So over here, this would end up being your equation. You have 10Q minus 5. Now, if we think about the variables that your calculator likes, it's not the letter Q. So we are going to convert this equation to an equation that your calculator will like, which always starts with y equals. Now, instead of the Q, we have the other letter that your calculator likes, x, so 10x minus 5. This is the equation that your calculator will like a lot more. So when we go over to your calculator, your TI, you're going to graph this equation first. So in the graph, which is either the word graph or this blue U, you are going to type what you just created. So 10x minus, remember minus is the black key over here, 5. And then you're going to hit enter. That's going to give you a beautiful graph. However, you wanted a table. Your shortcut is control and then the letter T to get a table. And over here you have your answers. Remember, over here is the letter X. So all of these are your X variables, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F1 of x is a fancy way of saying y equals. So that's the first function. So that's a y equals. These are then your y variables. So over here, we would be able to scroll down or scroll up to compare this to any table that we are given to make sure that we have the correct table. So I hope that helps. Think about those important words that let you know whether to add, subtract, multiply, or divide.